everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make a deli style potato salad. Now this is a little different. It's not your regular potato salad. As you can see, I've got 1 can of diced potatoes. Now to get the perfect consistency, they use canned potatoes at a deli. Now if we were making this like a regular potato salad, sometimes our potatoes are not always cooked, or they're overdone, or it can turn out to be like mashed potatoes, mashed potato salad. But to get the perfect consistency for what we're going to do today, I am using a can of diced potatoes. Now the ingredients that you will need are 1 can of diced potatoes, Hellmann's mayonnaise or Duke's, whatever you have available, can be Kraft. I'm using mustard. Also, I have chopped up 1 egg for this. If it's any more, then it would be more like an egg salad, and that's not what I want to do. So I have 1 egg that's chopped up. I have 1 stick and a half of celery, and I have some pickles, about 3 or 4 of them, baby dills, and some onion, very finely chopped up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put all this into a bowl, and I'll tell you how much to use of the Hellmann's mayonnaise. The one thing that you got to be careful on making a deli style potato salad is that sometimes it gets really runny if you use a lot of mayonnaise. So you kind of have to use your judgment on, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon, and if you need to add more, by all means add more. And then we're going to put in like a teaspoon and a half of mustard. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the can of potatoes, and I'm going to drain them. I'm going to wash them off so that way they don't have that canned taste, and I'm going to put them into the refrigerator so that way they get super cold. Now what you're going to do is, when I open up the can of potatoes, I wash them off thoroughly. I left them in the strainer so that way they can drain out all the water excess. I have it on a plate. I'm going to put these into the refrigerator, let them get cold, and then also I'm going to put a paper towel on top of it. Okay everyone, as you can see, I've got 1 teaspoon of mustard in here. Now if you want to use Dijon mustard, by all means go ahead, whatever mustard you like. I'm using just regular French's mustard. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Okay everyone, see how that's the perfect consistency? It's not runny looking or anything like that. We used 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. When doing this, make sure you gently fold when you mix all the ingredients together. Okay everyone, as you can see, I put our deli style potato salad in a small little bowl. This, you can see, can feed 2 to 3 people very easily. And I put some cracked pepper on top of it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put a wrapper on this and you're going to refrigerate. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and a notification bell so that way every time I come onto the scene you know. Again, thank you for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.